So today I am here to deliver an English lesson on constructivist approach. So this is an approach in which you get an opportunity to explore more and to participate in the classroom activities, and even you are able to construct knowledge together here. So before proceeding to the lesson, I just want to check your prior knowledge. But for that, firstly, I'll divide into you in two groups. This part is group number 1 or group A, and this section is group number B. Okay, I'll give you some objects and you have to observe it keenly. Clear? So group number 1, this is for you. Group number B, this is, observe it carefully, and sabhi, yes, and have it. Observe it carefully without making noise, bacha. Have you observed it? Yes. Okay, now group number 1. Any one of you just come forward and write down what is your observation regarding the first thing. Any one of you just come forward and write it down. What is your observation? Come forward, bache, and write your observation, that what you have observed the plate. Just keep it there and write down your observation. Khushi has observed fruit in the plate like apple, orange, banana, green vegetables. So now students, tell me, what are the things which are very much helpful for us to stay healthy as well as strong? Very good. The things like fruits, greeny vegetables, or consumption of right things. So these things are very much helpful for us to stay strong and healthy. Now group number B, tell me about your observation and come forward and write down your observation on the board. Go to your seat. So group number B has observed that chocolates, chips, packed juices. So that means these are the things. Just tell me what are the things which are very much harmful for our body. Like the junk food, chocolates, packed juices, even the consumption of alcohol or the consumption of drugs. So these things are very much harmful for our body. Now group number yes, what have you observed in these pictures? Let's come forward. Come forward. Take the pictures. And show it to the class. What do you see in these pictures?
Of danger.
These are signs of danger. Very good. Clap for her. So now group B, tell me, where do you have observed these kind of signs have written? Where do you have observed these kinds of signs have written?
Electricity board.
Very good. Electricity board. Any other? Yes, any other response? Anyone else? Tell me.
Tobacco packets.
On tobacco packets, and excellent, Atul. Basically, these signs we observed in sometimes public places or some packets or some products. These warning or dangerous signs. Now, students, tell me, last one. Why do many people continue to consume certain harmful habits even when they know that these things are very much harmful to our body? Try to think that why do many people continues certain harmful habits even though they know that these things are very much harmful for them. Try to think. Try to think. All right. It seems like no one knows the exact answer that what is the reason behind that why people are continue to follow these habits. So don't worry, I'll tell you what is the reason. This may be due to the lack of awareness and sometimes it is because of addiction. Clear? So students, today we are going to read a very important prose, that is tobacco, a silent killer. Tobacco, which is a silent killer. Basically, this prose is not written by only one author. This prose is written by the combination of different authors or by the tulip textbook series or the compiler just to aware the public about the harmful effects of tobacco consumption, alcohol consumption or any kind of drugs consumption. Clear? So now students, open your textbook and page number 14. And from group number A, any one of you just stand up and read the first paragraph. From group number A, stand up and read the first paragraph.
Tobacco is a common name applied to plants of the nightshade family that are cultivated for their use.
Students, wait a second. Underline the new word cultivation. Continue.
The tobacco plant is one of the most important commercial non-food crops grown in the world today. Tobacco plants grow 1 to 3 meters and produce between 10 to 20 broad leaves. These leaves are dried, processed and used to produce
Speak slowly, bacha.
cigars and chewing tobacco.
Speak slowly. Okay, now you continue.
It is said that Christopher Columbus is man on landing on the island of Tobaco in 1492 found the natives using tobacco leaves for pleasure. Since then the habit
Not
of
a tobacco, it is a tobacco.
tobacco
Okay, continue.
leaves for pleasure. Since then the habit of smoking has spread to different cultures all over the world and smoking has become
Good. Sit down, Pankaj. Sit down. Now from group number B, any one of you stand up and read the next paragraph, uses of tobacco.
Nicotine obtained from the plant is widely used in agriculture as an insecticide.
Students, underline the new word insecticide.
Refined tobacco seed oil can be used as a substitute for groundnut oil as it contains no nicotine. It can also be used in oil paint and varnish industries. Tobacco was used in past in medicine as a sedative and for treatment of gastrointestinal disorders. Nicotine is also a valuable constituent of many vitamin preparations.
Good, sit down. Now from group number B, from second row, anyone stand up and read the next last paragraph of the story. Yes, from here. Last paragraph. Yes, bacha.
Carbon monoxide disease.
Cancer and other diseases. It is a silent killer. This is one of the last. Yes.
Cancer and other diseases, it is a silent killer. Lungs cancer is caused by leaf tobacco, found in the tobacco smoke. People who smoke are 10 times more likely to die from lung cancer than non-smokers. The mixture of nicotine and carbon monoxide in each cigarette smoke temporarily increases heart rate and blood pressure, which strains the heart and blood vessels. This can cause a heart attack and stroke. It slows the blood flow, cutting off oxygen to feet and hands. Some smokers end up having their limbs
Amputated.
amputated.
Sit down. Underline the new word. Next new word is amputate. So from here, the last row, group number B. Stand up and read the next paragraph. Cigarette smoking during pregnancy also cause.
Cigarette smoking during pregnancy increases the risk of low birth weight and even premature babies. Even passive smokers inhaling smoke because of proximity to a smoker also run the risk of developing many diseases in comparison to active smokers. People who smoke run a high risk of cancer. In Kashmir, people consume tobacco by inhaling smoke from the hookah,
Hookah, which is called as ginger. Next, continue. Life is very precious.
Life is very precious. To live a healthy and fit life, one should take a balanced diet, lot of water and exercise daily. There is a lot of campaign going around the world against smoking.
Excellent. Sit down, Bacha. Sit down. Now, students, try to find out some other new words from your textbook. So, now we will try to find out or to understand that what are the meanings of these new words. So, our first new word is cultivation. I'll show you this flashcard and you have to find out that basically what is the meaning of cultivation. Is it visible? So, group A and group B, try to understand the meaning of the new word, and who know the answer, just raise your hand. No one knows. Just raise your hand, then I'll call you.
Farmers are cultivating their lands.
What is the meaning of cultivation?
Eating.
Tilling or? Yes, good, sit down. Very good, sit down, clap for her. That means cultivation means when you grow plants or crops. Clear? Next one is insecticide. Next word is insecticide. So tell me, what is the meaning of insecticide? Yes, Pankaj, stand up.
Chemical used to kill.
Very good. Sit down. You deserve an apple. I give you all healthy things. So, chemicals that is used to protect crops from insects. Sit down. Okay, good. Next word is amputate. So, try to find out, group number B, that what is the meaning of the word amputate. Yes, Sylvie, stand up.
Removal of a body part due to some
In some reasons or some infections. Excellent. You deserve an orange. So this is basically amputate is to remove any sort of infected area, legs or arms. Yeah. So now students, I think you all have observed, find out the meaning of the new words or understanding of the new words. Now you all have to come forward one by one and frame the sentences on these new words. So from group number 1, any one of you just come forward and frame the sentence. The word, first word is cultivation. Any one of you come forward. Cultivation means good.
the cultivation of rice requires a lot.
Now group number B. Be ready. Lot of water. Good. What's your name? Neha has rightly written that the cultivation of rice requires a lot of water. Very good. Now group number B. Any one of you voluntarily come forward and frame the sentence on the next word, that is insecticide. Farmers use insecticides to kill harmful. Either right here. Group number A from the last row. Be ready to frame the next sentence. Good. Very good. Clap for her. That the sometimes excessive use of insecticides can decrease the fertility of the soil, and even sometimes insecticide is also used to kill the harmful insects. So last word is amputate. From the last row from group A, come here and write down the sentence. The surgeon decided to cut. Very good. Cut the person limbs, but why? What's the reason?
An accident.
Accident or due to some sort of infections or the infected areas. So surgeons decided to cut the infected areas like legs or arms. Amputate the. Where is the word? Bacha, where is the word? Decided to. Here we have to correct it. Amputate. Amputate the infected area. Clear? So now students, I give you some objects to explore more. So group number A, have it, and just read the warnings written over it. So group number B, just observe it keenly. And the third one is about the bad smell. Group number A. Observe it keenly. Group number A. Group number A, anyone just come forward? Yes, Khushi, you come forward and read the warning written over these packets. Come forward. Forward. What is the warning?
यहाँ पे स्लोगन लिखा है टोबैको यूजर्स डाई यंगर.
Yes, by the consumption of these packets or these products, young generations, even the older one, damages or kill themselves. So this is the precaution. Even government just convey the message to the human beings or the public that these things are very much helpful for you, harmful for you, because it leads to what? Death in a gradual manner. Clear? So now, clap for Khushi. Group number B. Smell it. Which one is pleasant, which one is unpleasant? Group number B, anyone come forward? Come forward. What you have observed? That you have one clean cotton and one you have a smoky or a black stained cotton. No? So try to explain that what you have observed and why the color of one cotton is very much smoky or black. Try to explain. This one is
a pure and
clear cotton,
clean.
And this one is
Damaged black.
damaged, black stain, smoky. So what is the reason behind that? Because smoke contains very much harmful chemicals like tar or any other. So that things are very much harmful for cotton. To think about yourself, what it caused to you. Clear? Now, I think group number A have observed regarding the bad smell and the pleasant fragrance. Come forward. Just keep it there. So this one has,
मैम इसकी प्लेजेंट
speak loudly. This one has a
स्मेल है और इसकी नहीं है
कैसी है? Just and of you just want to smell it? No one. Okay. So basically, this part or this thing has a pleasant smell. In the same manner, clean air is very helpful for us, or clean air is compared with the fragrance of flowers, and these flower smells or these pleasant smells are very helpful for our body also to become a strong as well as healthy. But when we have the smell of smoke, or when we has an exposure with the smoke or tobacco or drugs, so automatically these things are very much suffocating, and even sometimes it causes a respiratory disorder in our life, and it causes bad effects in our respiratory, lung system, or even our body. Clear? Is it clear to all? Okay, now students, read the text carefully just for 5 minutes. Read the text carefully just for 5 minutes. Just for getting a better understanding of the topic. Read it silently. Slogan बाद में. Done? Done? So now students, all of you just look at the chart. Look at the chart. Group number A. Group number A or even group number B. Observe it carefully and try to explain that what you have observed in picture 1 or scene 1. Observe it. We are not reading about a flowering plant. Observe it. Yes, anyone just come forward, or yes, stand up. Stand up. What your observation regarding this? A plant with flower. Sit down. Very good. So basically, this is a cultivated crop with its leaf, and we cultivate these crops only for its leaves, and this is a tobacco plant or tobacco crop. Its height is basically only 1 to 3 inch and have 10 to 20 leaves. Now group number B or even group number A, you can also observe it clearly. What have you observed from this picture? First one, you have observed that this is a crop of nightshade family, na? That is a tobacco. That after lots of processing, it converted into cigarettes or tobaccos or cigars. But here, what you have observed, Sylvie, come forward, sit down. What is your observation?
From this, I can observe that person is smoking, and smoking gradually is killing.
Excellent. Clap for her. And even you deserve a banana. So here, what is your observation that even young generation is continue to follow up certain harmful habits, है ना? But which has a very harmful effects, but which have harmful effects in a gradual manner. No one is able to see its effect immediately after the consumption of tobacco or the cigarettes or the tobaccos. Clear? So here the last one is both the groups. Observe it keenly. That what message this lesson is trying to convey you. Here is the pen. What is your observation regarding the tobacco, a silent killer, the things which are very much harmful for us gradually, and that's why we call it as a silent damage or a silent killer, because the consumption or the exposure towards tobacco leads towards, because it has the main component of nicotine, and nicotine is something, if one person become addicted to it is very much difficult to get rid of it. Clear? So try to explain that what are the explanation of the harmful effects of smoking or smoke or tobacco. So explain it one by one. Yes, yes, bacha.
It damages the heart and causes heart.
Yes, sometimes, very good. Sometimes the consumption of tobacco leads towards the heart diseases or heart attack or even stroke. Very good. Anyone else? Yes. You deserve a banana. Yes, bacha.
Now, if we take tobacco, it also damages our lungs.
It also damages our lungs. Very good.
And it also causes cancer. And
other respiratory systems, it affects our bones, our teeth, our lungs, our heart, even the process of giving birth or all these things. So that means the consumption of tobacco or the use of tobacco leads to what? Damage to our respiratory system, damage to our heart. We can connect or it leads to the various kind of heart diseases, cancers. Even it affects our intestine system. It affects our lungs. It damage even create a dirt or damage our lungs. It weaken our bones and teeth, and even sometimes we have read in the text that it also leads towards the premature birth of the babies if we consume alcohol or drugs or tobacco during the time of pregnancy. Clear to all? Now students, you tell me, what is the main component of tobacco? Main or some other components of tobacco, because it has lots of things. That's why we become very much addicted of it. Clear? So what is the main, bataiya? Yes, Tanika.
Its main constituent is nicotine.
Very good. Clap for her. Its main constituent or component of tobacco is nicotine, and it is very much addicted, or it is a addicted chemical. If a young generation wants, at some time, if a young generation wants to skip the usage of tobacco, but due to the chemical or due to the component of nicotine, they are not able to do that even it has the chemicals or the components of like carbon monoxide or ammonia? Good. Now tell me, is there any benefit of tobacco? Is there any benefit of tobacco? Is there any benefit of tobacco? Only group A will respond. Group B, what you are doing? Yes, Anurati. Anurati, stand up. What is the benefit of tobacco? Anyone. If it has demerits, it must have some merits. Yes, sometimes. Clap for Anurati. Sit down. So basically, the tobacco leaves sometimes also used for scientific, even medical researches, and it sometimes also work or used for as a pesticides or as a insecticides. Now, both the groups, tell me, what are the harmful, just in brief, what are the harmful effects of tobacco? Sudhima? Harmful effects of tobacco. Just in brief.
It totally damages our body parts such as our nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, and causes heart and lung disease.
Atul has rightly said that the consumption of tobacco leads towards the damage of our respiratory system, damage towards our lungs, or damage to our nervous system. Now students, all of you just look at the picture and observe it keenly. लाइट ऑफ कर दो बच्चे. Observe it carefully. The main two aspects of lungs, and tell me what is the difference between these two lungs. Firstly, observe it keenly. Yes, bacha, stand up.
This is the lungs and this is after taking the tobacco and damage of the lungs.
Clap for him. He rightly said that, sit down, that this part of lung is healthy because it is pink in color. But after the consumption of, or when your lung has been an exposure of lots of smoke, it becomes very much dirty, black, even damaged. Clear? Now students, suggest me different ways through which we can aware our society regarding the harmful effects of the use of tobacco or the harmful effects of tobacco. That what are the different ways through which we can aware our society? Group A and Group B, both of you just think it, that how can we create awareness? Don't make noise. Pankaj, stand up.
By organizing nuclear nataks,
Very good.
attempts to aware the people,
Huh?
writing slogans, writing poster making competitions, and culture programs.
Excellent. Sit down. That means that we can create awareness by organizing different kind of poster making competitions, nukkad nataks, rallies, or etc. Now, students, both of you, Group A and Group B, you have to write down one slogan in your notebook right now. Any one short slogan on promoting the healthy lifestyle, that how we can promote a healthy lifestyle, group A and group B also. Say no to tobacco, yeah, कुछ भी लिखो. Phone, हाँ, only one. You have to write in English language. You have to write one brief slogan on. Written. Pooja, come forward. Come forward. नहीं जिसमें लिखा है उसी पे आ जाइए. Wherever you have written, come forward. Yes. Speak it loudly.
Break the habit before it breaks you.
Yes, that we have to break a habit before it breaks our body. Clap for her. Anyone else? Yes, Atul, come forward. Got your seat? हाँ नहीं अब कुछ सब्जी कैसे दूँ? मुझे दे दो. I'll give you. I'll give you. I'll give you.
Stop tobacco, start living.
Yes, stop tobacco, and when you stop the using of tobacco, it will lead to a healthier lifestyle. Now you deserve, because others have not please Now, yes, Pankaj, come forward. What do you have written? Yes, Logan. Come forward.
Stop tobacco, stay safe.
Tobacco, no, it's tobacco, tobacco. Pronounce it tobacco. Okay, go to your seat. You deserve an ice cream. No, you deserve a star. Okay, now group number A. Group number A, you can ask one question to group number B, and group number B, you have to ask a question to group number A. Yeah. So group number A, stand up and ask anyone question to group number B.
What is the main constituent of tobacco?
Yes, anyone of you stand up? Stand up. You have to discuss. Speak it loudly. Nicotine is the main component of tobacco. Group number B, you have to ask one question to group number A.
What is the height of tobacco plant?
Stand up.
1 to 3 inches.
And it has, yes, it has 10 to 20 leaves. Clap for her. So I think you all have understand about the harmful effects of tobacco. So now draw a beautiful poster on the healthy lungs at your home. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.